Bonnie, who can say? Miss me can say, no great. Long time. I was a former fan, Cheme. Last week, man, Trinity, yeah. Anna, Ebuana, when you try, Jumano, I be brave. To do a beer now, time never tea, Kakra. Pamcha, much video, mamma, now, a monitor, Tony, and Conania Tamusa. Much video, man, your monitor, Toto, and their Tamusa. And I had 1 hour 15 minutes now, yeah, we. A Timonsa video, mamma. Bon Yaraba, Mecha, good evening, my dear. I hope so. Here. All right, a busham for bar now. Watch a video no. Martina, my home, my dear. I hope so. Here. My home, I hope so. We are here. But your bar, no watch a video na man. Now, yeah, can say 1 or 2 be then we call it a day. Eti oba share video na man. Mr. Samuel Asante, bro, good evening to you, my brother. Bro Sammy, the youth president, the incoming national youth organizer, Bro Sammy. Bro, I see you. Good evening, my brother. I hope so. Here. Foot soldiers, mu commando pa Jumeru, Bro Sammy, me hu mechiao. I don't know about baby. I know a video na my near intentem. Now my again is the foot soldiers. No so am I. Oba share video na my any komo. All right, mama, start me advert and sana ya started. All right, me try advert back on. Adafu obi biara owo Italy krom ha sei opese wutu kwan from north to south. Who the northern part ha na opese ko south. Ye wo yen cars ko cross country. From north to south. Baby akobi edobeko specifically Rome. Eti cars ni fi Veneto zone ha Vicenza na eko na fi eko Emilia Romagna mo na Modena Mantova Parma mo na eko Firenze na fi eto aso sa na eko Rome. Eti se uwo Brescia, Bergamo, Milan, Vicenza, Castelfranco, Verona, Parma, Mantova, Modena, Reggio Emilia no mu nyina na opese uko Roma. Yan say obefreyen ofreyen. Your number na 32989111232. 32989111232. Either so obefreyen and as obesend a message or WhatsApp, you be get it back to you. na wa my appointment date time no so a ye do be ko embassies bia wo room bia no ye cars no e ko e be file from why ufie and our doorstep na edwako to destination cars no be twen u wie dia we bia na asan edwo back abesi wo be bia e be file no e ma room ko e so simple e ma save time so yeah e wait me do to I match boko obeda ma wo ato I match boko na kana be foul e de konso a within daytime no watch number be 5 there na wo Vicenza zone it no e man so easy o kwa you need just a day how de kwa appointment ne pe unhia say o ko foot train na fe number be 6 na fe na wo be sima ko gina train station akọ bre o ban so abeba be dra na a whole lot of stress we there yen konesa door to door e ba be pick on here de ko embassies uwi na sand waba to be bia be hia car no to Rome number bia no your cars ni bia no obe frame me number 329891122 329891122 me pacho o frame a ye hia wo appointment date na no keke na was o de man men ko ka a day before appointment say na minim say that time na metu o yes car na to ajaw and also yes ho achiro. All right, apart from that so person renew or documents or passport, Ghanaian passport, Italian passport, any other passport be kita bia no renew and also no here bit massa free number na 329891122 your number now free and also a betiki and also a ho adwuma ayama ofefefe adofo me pam chew obi a wa ba bia no on share video no mame na eneye nche very short way bi ni yekọ. All right, answer na no mincha advert last one so obi bia wa ko Florida Eastern region in Patem. Your special coaster or your friend Fratello coaster. Fratello coaster yi or Kufribia kwase biaso and now Kufribia main market no. Na Fratello coaster uti di no kura uti say Fratello dia yes adwuma ni ti efi Italy ha. Ti wonim say that Italians ye good wo nnuane preservation ne ombi bia omye ni to omonema ho eti se ukoto na ma menkoto na mfun biara Sammy Darling my brother greetings bro long time no last week member no kwem kodi baby kakra. All right, eti no enkoto na bia nko konya yare epa mo chew Fratello coaster drabin sawa market ko Florida uhia na ma your fish your chicken sausage beef goat turkey gizzard eggs bibia fresh. And a Fratello coaster said that OTD na Fratello Italian word I mean brother, right? To OTD na won say humanity fi Italy ha. It is fat neatness nam preservation ya de there. Number 1. Enko nam bia ye de gu form gata mu ni ade bi aworo ho enko di enkonya yare. Ne pa cho Fratello coaster was 0244158581. I repeat 0244158581. Fratello coaster Koforidia Drabin Sawa market ho na Fratello coaster wo pacho okwa obenya nambia bi obenya fish obenya chicken obenya sausage beef goat turkey gizzard eggs oya wedding oya whatever bibia program bia obetima order fresh meat if you and fish if Fratello coaster arofunum brother Felix appear bro I see you my brother long time enye zo minua eze ni pa tight but next week kwa there bibia ba dem o se yire ho ya adwuma no ye ma adaje no mufa adwuma no so se ye adwuma no na agenda 2024 no ye so cd abusafo enumere de menche metamuswa match 1.5 hours I have to go eti ebobo no jasu ye bedi kan a congratulate yen football team ya enra omukwaje trophy won say nanado de owo de ni mapanko na baba Ghana ngofo bi bremu anke yanu ba bia but with the MPP everything is possible. All right, eto ma ya so omode trophy no ba Ghana ye do ma say. All right, abusafo ni eto su bie mu so ye ba congratulate ye ministers a vetting omutimi fa mu na omunna na president aso mu in me and my brother asenso boache ya me adom wapie your brother kojo ponkoma honorable ono so watwiniti correct your doctor Uso free ye ma me hawa kunsin honorable ono so wa trinity correct ebusafo nipa miensa mebubo mu din sisi ayi honorable Kodwo Ponkroma honorable Owusu Afriye doctor ye maame honorable Hawa Kumsin ye de nyame ase emomo omunti na ejato NDC mu no na ene show no me ye very short one. Good evening Madam Evelyn. Oh, long time. Who ha na our Ghana. Abna champo mo minwa ba good evening. Happy belated birthday to you Abna. Ya me mo ahoden o ma cash o ma bibia be so bi enye yema. All right. Enti me pa mo chow. Politics na ye no. E o man titre ni ye titre. O man ene ye peni ye. Ba mja mo share video ma me. Na mi ni nkomo short na me kwa nche. O man ye peni ye nti se wo ye politics a politics ni eye o man titre ho adwuma. Eti se kuo bi etimi ka se ho enkrofo weni o me yade but yensi po na vetin yem block o me emom passe a na san enkrofo no mo mpe o man Ghana ni ye. Papa mo hwe ni ye mo share video ma me di nkomo na me nche. Me say politician bia go ne say ne man in o titre sana etie. Eti any politician or against the progress or the development of ne man biano or within him. Politician biara or against the development, the progress of the nation biya within him. Menche wana menche. All right. Dia to su biye monso. Ya papa former president Mahama. Eme say emre du say by this time and ko timi free president Akufo-Addo no congratulate no. Ma onya ade mo bia nka say ase anwoya bia na ade national na asesen. Mesramo. Ya papa former president Mahama. Omo ebe na nka sanche no fa telephone, no free president Akufo-Addo no congratulate no. Oya da president Akufo-Addo na president. Ye ko fa ye friend saying coronavirus vaccine iba na no. So did me ka wako. Eti president Akufo-Addo na akofa ba eno akowo ne de. Na me fisa vaccine de candidate for no kran komo. Covid vaccine e ba na me fisa komo. Ba nyame adom. Ye ba pesi edu nketi amu nyina akwaje omo de ashom ho. It shows amamu papa president Akufo-Addo bu. Me ka temo last week na me tie Nigeria for news. Na a whole Nigeria kakrakai. Afuna Nigeria for gada sika omo health minister I promise you. Omo gada no matimi de COVID vaccine. Be ebia be 500,000 bi aba Nigeria. Me catch Nigeria state back ye grow ebe so asen Ghana. Omo kra na afi no omo pay ways and means omo procure 500,000 vaccines. Last week news, Nigeria news. Was it last? Yeah, say na new week. Yeah, I think on Thursday or Friday news amiti me follow Nigeria politics kakra no. Afi na omo pe kwa omo be fa so omo be kra vaccine, COVID vaccine bi aba Nigeria. Omo hye omo mamu for boss omo be try. No the be 500,000 be to 1 million bi aba. Nigeria. Eno no afi kra na omo hye bo. So omo be try. Yet Ghana ketwa we. Mon hye ndu a president Akufo-Addo within short time. The first country to receive the COVID vaccine is Ghana. The very first country to receive the COVID vaccine is Ghana. Etimi pamcho amemwo na ye bu no. Hwe obi bu no bu ni ya. E was here upload nipa no because Ghana ya bre. Eno ye nya asen. Ghana eno a ye nya asen. Nipa mocho ye Independence Day na eno amosi ye nya asen. Ye celebrate bibi ma minim ahia ye nya mo kan che me obi ntro ha na me mise nipa ko question. Eno a na ye 6 March Ghana ye nya asen. Infie say ni yes ye nya after freedom ye nya asen. Eno a me sheda na mamba because eno a na 6 March meeting be eno a meeting be politics. Na was me relax na me hwe bi na mpembe bi da. Eno ye time so about maba. Pepa mcho amemu na ye bu no. Ye wonkrofo bia omani do makoma so. Ye wonkrofo bia omani edo makoma so. Ye wonkrofo bi wo no ma utimu say omu ye selfish. Mama Evelyn me da 64, right? In the one is celebrity, a 64th year after independence. Wow, fantastic. In 64 years, ya rewe ba ya kwa Ghana ya etimi produce a vaccine kwa anke enye hwe. In 64 years, ya rewe ba ya kwa no na Ghana vaccine ye produce wo Ghana hwa ankenye hwe nana ma boss me da se boni araba me da se me boss by me hu me boss Mr. Samuel Hinkra good evening boss Asantua Abna Santua good evening me see yare we buy na Ghana yetimi produce ye vaccine kra ankenye hwe it shows agora ye di ye mpanyifo bi di Ghana mine di besi ne Ghana suffer under some incompetent leadership bia ebetwetwem ko 27 years of incompetent abamuo 27 years of zeros omanye hwe it said almost call court na 0. It is obiakba no man wo dey sin na so na obu o man na let's applaud this person and pray and support this government with all what we can because the point is I was a Ghana for 9 years na one near breaking the 8 years chain no na you go beyond the 8 years I will be by onya 8 hours searching to position listen the point is obiaba or the 8 years I say mine obiaba within short time or build mine no obiaba no aka say 8 years into Ghana a mentality be a hard dream obi otimika so obiaba di binti oso kono bibedi ye menua wasema mobo mama wa brochira enra mi pie make up perfume brand ena sama mfa me safo am tie brad maka prochi mi a me kokro mu ba ya me try a mentiment bi no na o say me free fire service for masa fire service for telephones me catch am say me pay de o me ewe ha na hwi nsi jaso hwi ni wo akwala nse fi o hwi ni wo me anko na mo fie me so se madum ja hwi ni wo only say matu me hu prum to me bie keke ma me ena o mo se o mate o meba me mom 5 minutes ena go for mama ni wuye o mo hwa anim kasa kese miensa ne keto abaku twa akire ena pipo ti say dem fie ehye aba brofu ni na twomuti apon keke wo mo ba 5 minutes kra ena mo bie na mo koya untwa hwe service say any attitude of mine anything beyond they are at your doorstep moti ho mame hawa kumsin obabosia etima ye one constituency one ambulance na NDC for abomutrimu pose mame we vetin yen nyini film you see we are nation record we are o man na hu hia for NDC for timi kan mutibo mu say hawa kumsin de okwa honorable ye be yi na film vetin na okọ no omo be make sure say mame o be twena sensen kojo oponkuma honorable because oye very outspoken all know the informations be the abani ye be eba bonten or expose the baddies of the opposition party any ado ode no kra bent no ono nso mon try say mo be kana she ye papa Dr. Wusu Afriye ono a watimi aboa manwane ebu o Ghana no ani sifo mpe ono nso ye ntwene sensan you see oma try am o man na ko nanim nyina no we mo mpe eti wa wo hweme se wo se 8 years na ye be traso no 8 years no mbo am ye mbreki to jewara me mesafo akekeka afie me fa telephone free no wa ye the cast pori akese miensa keto ba ko na bae o mu sifimu firefighters no ba bram nipa be form amom ho na so mo ejeja form ni ade na ba soro nipa fo ne be bie pro ketekete ba ko ma me no mu sifom just because the system na ya kan wansam si na ya mbo an build the Ghana system no the system no hu asem ni ye kan no when the system starts to work we are citizen na wutimu a we are wo kra wasumbejo we are wo wasumbejo because wo da won dwen sam rubber be sorry di tu abegina so be kun because konfo no so onya adwuma ye na bosumi bia wonya sika to adwane di na fe cars ya ye wo Ghana yi o timi de ne pay slip etimi koje card na mu a on fetu so koboko kono bon abedin ba o minye so sa konfo na easy mom so mo koboko no kono bo be den chese wo de wo na o obi da na wo se wo san ko scroll ni nam sa make sure say obi ada na wo ko wia and the thing is do and die eti konfo bia nya adwuma obeye no agya kro no to me konfo bia nya adwuma obeye adofo mo share video na konfo bia nya adwuma obeye no agya kro no because kro no bo anya easy sa wo de konfo ada enjoy no efia wo kom se jata na wo ho se hwan na wo fie ho se sebo se den wonim ekomunti e wo so kofie okobọ kro no ekomunti konfo bem no matter what ordinary life better so ko Chronobo me so say den crossing soldier near oko head to front line because who they at least win the direction of your enemies and are well armed and protected. But Kronfo ko be few community onim what is there, but I was so called. Eti mummy na yam one and build system near build system near ya. Eh my yam. Because ene ya mitiwe me ene se me na me fi ha. Me tu kwan. Nanso me kwa me panama to me pum. Me ka hwim kitwa bia me lock no me ko me ba. Obi ama ha. Me puma kwa me ntum. Me cause me pesa me mbra na from 50 ni mo afan. Obi ambem. Nanso Ghana won hwan na ka se Kronfo se ko. Won hwan ene wa koda na ora fi hu no wan fa ayi wan electrify wo dan wa tutum kura wo de na de egu echi no wan electrify no kura Kronfo be ba bepo. Last week when papa penyimu bi tu kwan ye nam sa nam se da ana wo be one am no kwan nam yi eti Ghana aka ba bi sei aka we wet ma fa ho ena me hwe ndam se hwe se da nka Kronfo be si achi ya bru ye no ke be bru mi e piansi former fire card akọ eti Ghana ni a wo hwe me ye 8 years na ye be breaking we are starting from now court ni ye wie se u person obi how serious nipa na ya mo fa court Supreme Court se mutum ho fo pam cha mo share video na nche u person mu aban o ye serious so o building nation mo we dey see Supreme Court ho no na mo hwe judgment a judges ne kan no obi o ye serious obi o ye serious o ya ade a wo hu you cannot go to a whole Supreme Court na on my television station broadcast it every day. Ni ye waste your time to share. Na asema wo de koye no wantimi amfa evidence ba ko kwantwiato amfa nko. I hope say you read the judgment mu na moti ase. Jenans so ya no kre. We are more than prisoners in our own houses. Ghana dey no kre. E serious. Wo da na refi hu no antompon wo di mika gidigidi. Nso ha obi ada wada sama bebe obi etu utimi kra da bakọ ni ana ade ache. That's the system. Obi ani mbro. Ko do beto adwane adidi ataka mu nkwa do obenya denti na oba wo obaji den. Eti Ghana fo am hwe me. Me see, mama go back to the point and I'm making no. Ye pe obi a oye serious a mu hwe de course wo court no. You see, a whole Supreme Court. O kwa akogina Supreme Court a o ko konsa pan. You waste your money resources, your time, your bibia. Yeah, they are broadcasting. I learned to say, Kakurana or mine boy, I had the broadcasters. I will know 80 million Ghana cedis. That's their main per information. 80 million Ghana cedis, which is Tetano, by 180 billion. A car Ghana buying a boy, and the broadcasters are caught with empty petition on the court. Also before the petition you call court already one gas what akoma yi say o filing fee no unya more than 47.96%. It will qualify as a refund of filing fee then amount. It one gas on the 9 January o tro letter ko yi si o compare o filing fee o call refund o ko see refund o filing fee ni amount. You want refund? It will require o request see answer for scanning my back. Now what went to me really bad percentage now was a wunya ye hu say one man media agro o ba so be a politics ntino percentage a obenya ye hu say percentage we dey o bo ho modern ti yisi san refine usika ma no mo tro letter ko yisi was a wuji sika no ete eda na we see a time e we see it a Ghana aban sika over 18 million Ghana cedis or 180 billion near the broadcasters and same hu we sabe. Edenti ina wase wo the empty petition court to court now man wasting sika e wo ho the broadcasting. Meanwhile one ka say winim so walusu. So the adwen abeda chie nan say omo boa pa yes ade no say dia omo de be project former president Mahama. In other words no the Ghana sika 180 billion e dey a project no ho for 2024 peso samba no. 2024 there I just say food soldiers na yake eti abom na just say ni ties adodo 2024 nyame boa no kra mo nya 45% ana nyame oni ma wontu no ho now because we are making sure say be break 8 years chain no Cynthia kwa mecha me nuaba. Oh, eti hwe oman bia ye tim o. Oman ye tim a obi ani abrese oye oman ni ye. Obi timi ye ni da ho boni nim se case we de court no hwinim. Who read the judgment na? Oman tima fa hwe ama, she no evidence. Emma, esi edun ketia. As onu akasa court ho, onu akasa bie na no pim. E kan se oman ma so mbe challenge results no. But omo ba so mbe challenge the EC, the constitutionality and whatever it is. E do man di agro side do man sika ya bro waste your mind time. E yes ani mo we just like that. Up to now, we me congratulate the sitting president. But ona modern boss wa covers vaccine by there. Mun na sa penfo di me ka kwakọ. O mun na kwakọ. Omo time na covid by so anga Ghana fu na. We me congratulate president Akufo-Addo. But covers vaccine no cry and buy any day. What ma kwakọ obi? Any si fu penfo na akọ. O mu di mirika obi akọ. Na me fisa no de am de be propaganda. Enti Ghana ni awu tie mi ye. Etu owo ne de wa fa anya propaganda wa ko wo ne de. But etu de awu ebe mo akọ school free. De ebe ma wanye nsuo free. De ebe ma ho ato abrabo mu a no de propaganda because e ho no enka ne shirt. Iti mu tie ne ye and I repeat. Ghana ni awu hwe me. NDC fo mpanyimfo etu owo na covers vaccine ba ye ne de. O ma fa anya propaganda. O ma ntranse anka se nye. Oma nga se nye nti omu nkowo omu dimika ekokowe but wo ohiani ba ye hwe oba school fees free dia obeka cho se enye free education ye ma unsu adware free a obenya ho asem aka se nye ye ma free light or the propaganda ye ukrom kwan amawa or the propaganda eti se wunim owu ahwena Bese mu amudi NDC fo na chi na ka hwe amunti no. Bese mo sha de we nso. Se eba ne san e na covers vaccine ba ye de. Within 1 week pe NDC mpanyfo ni na wo. Ene de o ma nya bibia nka o procurement no ho. O ma nya bibia nka about the quality no. O ma nya bibia nka ho. Mpanyfo na wo party nim dimika ko Free SHS ba no o ma nya bibia kan ho. Enei omugusu kasetia free SHS. De be febo hia ni ba no omu kasetia. But vaccine na onu ohun se wa anwo bi obewu no. Yare na chi na obewu no. Won de wodimika ko. Enso president na what is no the vaccine ba no. Wontimi congratulate ni besi ne. Former president Mahama wontimi congratulate president Akufo-Addo besi ne. Ba vaccine ba de omu na akọ obi. Ye na eto manim. This is the time youth ni person money eda ho, especially the youth. What see any da ho na NDC ko ni ehun se eyeko bi a entimi mwa Ghana. And that is the bitter truth. Entimi mwa Ghana. But akoko sa kira koma enya ne fe eti dia president Akufo-Addo be bio manya ho asemaka. But ye na nyame asese vaccine de o manya ho asemaka. O mo di mrika ko obi ete na chese ni da ho bone na ya sa nkrofo ye na nyame asese vaccine ba ye de o mo anya ho asemanka o mo di mrika penifo wani si mu na akwakowo and o mo anya ho asemanka because no there is about omo benefit to their own benefit but free SHS and cannot because o ska eti etwem obetima hwe ne ba se ni ekwa wonam so nya wono wo sika odaka akesiem ntodu rough road obetwam u security nya onu ni fie kromfo ntimi nko ho akoza do ma mechi amedafo oh yeah eti dem pesa me ka kire mu nyina ne say we are all going to start the campaign to break the 8 years from now because ye hu be pipa bi wo aban we anka so otesunu mu ma gonta kwasi be bra mechi awo Yehu bibipa awa banwe otesuno abanwe yehu bibipa wom it will all help to break the 8 years the chain we will break it. Oh, Rita Winter, thanks my sister, I hope you're also doing well. Yeah, long time we are all going to help to break the 8 years chain because you won't be pebi, you won't light be after the tunnel. It was in night me reach that light. Was in night me reach a higher you won't after the tunnel. Yent mean now emo man will be in some fan call reverse beam. Eti Ghana for a motion and mutie me say President Kufuor a memua are any if for criticizing. So man criticizing Covax vaccine by no. Na mpanyimfo ni na akwa wo bi dia metomamo. Se vaccine the whole world Ghana na the first country receive bi no. Se NDC for man criticize no. Na mpanyimfo ni na including former President Mahama na yere na busuafo ni na akwa wo dia. Dia ka no etubo mora Moamonjeje. So mun na akwa wo bi dia no manya ho asem anka dia Monjeje. And the whole bonnet, and the whole bonnet, and no more. They know very well say about we born home more than pa. But just because of pekwaya ba be transfer, asa ba be do money sika, asa ba misuse resources BMT. Don't be bia nyom fe. Peja o mine sika, mako jina court, asema mo de court na the Supreme Court was so lenient. Good evening, Faustina. Man, I hope so here. Na court ni so lenient because in some reason na go so mo Portugal gate na no kra. Court way ye na no be so ordinary no be can be say nkosi aga because obi so contempt. But right from day one, na ehun asem hwinim. Ye kasa fufa ho about entima money straight by both and ten because obi so contempt. But ye na emamu ya we say we court case we hwinim ye kra ye lawyer for kra. You will say the Omude court na bakukre no hold water. And they were aware, but the leadership no almost selfish and greed interest in no. They pretend that as if they have case. No go jina court ho. It court no go jina ni na no. They are no more paya na campaign tin na no person start born. Say the bear NDC for no ebeka so oh former President Mahama owini ye na eji finisem eji no Monsama no 2024 ya bonu 2 times non stop ya na bo 2 consecutive time in 8 years no ya brim no 2 times in just 4 years it is a mobile side na ba no problem ya de ho say ni sinim no obi animu a obetime adimu anim bi ma no problem fa na mra ya ba side na hwe obi because your pesa or mine konanim, your pesa or mine a konanim. A konanim do babia, she said the America chemui, and no, I'm if you crumb by us, I'm jam myself for 2, if you are my car proof him, I'm a bedroom, me fat telephone fresh fire service for some to me suffer with fee my cash to move be a mammy. We no casatin be a own tria capre, umbanuma baby ama no more. A buy fool, a buy cars, yet beba she cars bear for a bum fear. Baby a pro ba ko pe ma me no mkoe enti me pesa me chemo say baby a pesa Ghana code room bibi sa na e expect bibi sa ene ye expect o man Ghana mu and young leaders pia you say no papa we any team with this particular political party omu vision omu bia ye say omu kita omu plans na just abrofu die enti nkrofo we na bet ma rely on them for a better Ghana. These are the people who make my boy. Now go for be say ministers be to say honorable how Kumsi Babu sia I wait me to one ambulance about constituency biano. Obi say verdict no ye nyini film ye try say onyan appointment. Can you imagine all this? Just for omankasa own greedy interest in obi upon home modern Babu sia mota monko fa ambulance mbra ambulance 30 pe na mutimi de buy. And look what I'm going to buy an ambulance. Empty Sprinter buses. And I'm going to budget $245,000. That's Ghana, 245,000 euros. Ambulance 30 pen. 245,000 euros. I can't move that to my Ghana phone. 245,000 ambulance 3 pills. A 30 nearby. Ni nane empty Sprinter buses. Na mo boss I can't to my and I'm okay. Oba ba ko pe etimi agina ni ministry so etima magana constituency be any ambulance over 300 will deliver within the shortest time and oba we ni makobo no ho po say the next appointment imu man sanka na nyame ama munyansa se munya de amoye no na nipa we mu no mbeboa na mutimi to aba mana sami jamfia kola ketwa abegina bontin edi atema did the speaker of parliament atem ena sakola na dwinsa no refi bibi say speaker of parliament and kasa no ohia NEC party bi mu me pamji me kasa me achem ha the highest rank in life for betimenya edi retire he is the third most important person on the land. Sani Yakana Nameboa, the third gentleman or the most important person on the land now in Ghana. Ayono. Eti onye NEC party nyehwe. Sami Jamfi communication officer, a whole speaker of parliament Dibrano. Owe ye grana. Ehun papa ko onye bi nse na wa retirement. And who attack papa ni because one amian drop it oba upon whom modern to say honorable Howard Kumsen. Dr. Uswe Free, a Greek minister. Wait mama free fertilizer. Any near man near planting for foods and jobs. My corner him say. I didn't know for a young chum 20 from because of that, a jar to party. Tisami Jamfi dimpen for them, this speaker of parliament at them. So when man you one man could to say, honorable could your punk mama, this young man could your punk mama and modern boy. Yeah, for politics now, Tonchen. Move a performance. Dr. Uswe Free, Monshe, and this time, Mr. Gary Nana Ganakra, Gary, Neganakra. Minister, what ba wait my born home, what didn't say. I dream born tea, my shampoo, wash them say, Mon try say, move something for me, and we 2 hours for. It's when we young profile, I bet me the Ghana Shomasa. There is no way, Ghana, yeah, my Ghana, my papa to say Ghana, you bet me just say this for us. Any because o share enema ekoso ma dwin a mo didi o mamuo na mo pa bia ba na o ma dwin na ya o own interest pamto mo share video ma me mo share na NEC full soldiers nya binti o ma dwin nara is about kwa o ma fu adwin boni eto mo timi ko Brazil ko to ayi e friend say do club ako $50 adwin boni Ajimboane. Eti Ghana for it is about time. Jen what's the idea Nancy form? That's uncle for power I give one test be ma. I just am in fear for retirement or pension. Or go bear when you after bed 30-40 years time. That I'm no be a bread. Now I've had the sad try be married, so meet me or make sure me be a fee. Dear Omuko Muna. Because I yes idea. I was here making sure that party a dissolve. Senya sir, I was here making sure say some party near dissolve no. How? Oba besie timi aboama the ministry wa yard say. Must say baby appointment e dey ma mo kotwena wo form. Dr. Uswe Free Ayemode just because he is performing marvelously. It in the performance na be ma tena position che. Mo twena mbra form. Kojo ponko ma wa Ayemode because mu din try Obeba aba betete mu 111 amagana ni bia ti ase. You don't like that. And say ebasa na mo no muni do bia mo man na wo say de o man semonza. Ebasa na muni do bia mo man no. Ebasa muni do bia mo man no. Sabato me hu me nwa na say. Sure bro, I see you my home maybe you. Oh. Ete bushafo eneni eseda nche ye bonu to ni akọ kaka ye kan se NDC party no wo hwe niema akoso na nsen e wo parliament wo hwe niema akoso wo court wo hwe niema akoso na nsen a it shows clearly say it shows very clear say party NDC they are not serious and they don't have the nation at heart. It shows very clearly say omuni oman wo makoma so adwembone ne ku almost selfish interest Shedan ko ya Ghana moto aba mo amunim sa ba ya to mo lusu mu da form team mo akra mo aye mo letter ready atro dia koma yisi compare reference o musika mo de file ye mu ya we but asansa adwem boni wo mutirimunti no na o makọ share full soldiers na abon o munim hwe no makọ share o machi so mo kwa demonstration o ma hwe ni age fi o mo nsam oh enkofo no dwon mo a wonte ase enti munim sa aban mo lusu munim pa sa aban mo lusu na munim pa sa muni evidence muni facts the point is no more figures no but o mo keke se ni a o mo se 47 o mo ntimi ntra nto mo betwa kontompo court ho so omu afa figures number court Minister AC Esther me hu AC Esther me aba boko de enti wodwe nkrofo no ho a wonte ase munim se mo lusu the leadership na nim se mo lusu but mo hwe gan ko mo ye Ghana mo hwe the way mo attention back ronum she ties she market she it's like can go 40 boom just like that. It's just say mom yes serious and Ghana mining form ho ebegu engufo o man Ghana ebebo a o mining bo o mine ebebo a embo eno na menwa ba aka no mama ne ndisi de egu NDC party me say egu SS no anu aka no party na egu because there was a youth no youth ni ni da ho youth say wo manim o say ye me ni da mabun no ye ni da ho ni value sanko for me no ye hwede we serious we talking about seriousness. She President Akufo-Addo me say last Friday or Thursday Nigeria me tie Nigeria news afi no mo pe kwan a omo Nigeria for no o betima procure 500,000 COVID vaccine afi no mo sise omo ho bo se munya abotre e betima ye agonta I see you doggy slide agonta ni Jack long time watch holiday was o me di nkomo a whole Nigeria afi o my kakaka ti se Nigeria no afi no mo pay ways and means to get the COVID vaccine. I know 500,000 no mo person mo procure me an me tie o mo krom news we nye efiche de o mo news me an me tie eno mo promise o mo ho say aban na ye do be bia so betima procure 500,000 and mo Ghana for President Akufo-Addo wa medwana no mu o kan say by time we say na vaccine ye de biaba and it came just like that. Eba no former President Mahama and the team o man criticize you because you won nkwa eto mu dimika o man kra mo fu soldiers na mo wem na mo di atemu former President Mahama kwaje vaccine won so wan kra mo wo dimika wa kwaje ne de but say adipa bi ne de but say free SHS and go back at you say nye because of power ba say adipa bi ina odeba ti say free SHS adipa bi a President Akufo-Addo de aba ebe benefit wo no ono esense former President Mahama na esidu nketia mo ne ade no omunya mfaso wo so nti obeka cho say nye vaccine ba no naka me expect say de bia papa we President Akufo-Addo ye bibia nye no na me expect say omeka so omo nye but so wetumi tumeka akwa vaccine bia wo de a full soldier wo hwe medicine ni sisan wadwe so former President Mahama na si du nketia mo ni omo a President Akufo-Addo modern bibia o ye bia nye no omo etimi akọ panie na omo ankra mo full soldiers na nyese pictures ni videos ko viral anka mo kura mo nim say papa no wakwa vaccine bi ko de. It is about time you and I was here dear nice form near baby adrim near was a Ghana intimate now sir Ghana intimate yesterday tia sir I was a Ghana sister it's young she cran and then yet me the barcode watching now to me the barcode near up near they to watch it then it shows our minor equalim. We are going somewhere, we are headed towards somewhere now. At least our mind is saying will be our national ID card. So, which is very important. And up to and neck cause Ghana. How? Most are not 64 years. Eti for all these years I be sinko nyina no. National ID card. Any is for a moment trim da. President Kufuor ba obe start your mo ba no mbedru ye no no mbogu ba bi o man so mu kura. President Kufuor na asan ba eno abe national ID card na President Kufuor start ye no a wan wi okoye no. President Kufuor na ba no abe ye den wabe mana President Kufuor dream abe. Eti mo de media de ba ko petrol card na President Kufuor start ya wo ya okoye no. 8 years any si ba nti o ma hu the need say national ID card hu be hia o man bia. Because o man bia wotimu bia no, hu hia ID card. Na odi bo ne kwa etima track on tem. Eti it show say agro e wo nkrofo bia ni so. E na nkrofo bi fie serious e mu bu o man no. Me say nkrofo bi ye serious e o mu bu o man no. E na nkrofo bi de agro e no wo man ni so. Eti je bi aga na edu sese no. Yen san ko reverse biem. Eti the 8 years chain na ye be break no. Me say Ghana for any food soldiers o mu po ye be break 8 years chain no. Because yen pass ye be mu be change reverse gear na ma ye biemu. Sa reverse gear na NPP ba no born ho modern adu na anim a mo de o man na be share reverse na mo kan akwa akira ye be ba na ka sumo twan. Ye be for man fi IMF ba a be bi o man ye du. COVID vaccine the whole world. Ghana is the first country I receive COVID vaccine. And the mumpenny for who say at the papa ban. Omi ne timika ni o mere ni o man mako. Ufoja fu soja what wo. Edi atem e platform so. COVID vaccine buy na nka former president Mahama na esidun ketam ni ado. So man ko wo bia. Anka no mum ye. Na nka hu say oh policies bia papa president Kufuor ye na nye. But a buy no di mika ko won de. Etu owo ne nkwa de wa ultima prove acha organ ni say ade na nanado ye ne ye. Etu owo ne nkwa wonim say wan wo bi obetima akọ no. Eno de wan kasa enye wa prove acha o say ade na nanado ye ne ye wakọ. Free SHS na fa build the future no. Eno de omo criticize say enye. Free SHS na ndo omo say enye. Planting for foods and jobs omo so mu hu ye. Vaccine by the omu ye maintain easy for us you. Me pam che planting for foods and jobs. The whole Ghana ekoso any easy for so mu hu ye. Free water no any easy for so mu hu ye. And free electricity any reductions e dey ma omo lose within 50 kilowatts no. And also almost so mu hu ye. But free vaccine by e dey. Vaccine by yem fa don kwensi so mbondu be bia na ndi omo hu edi meka kwa ko fu e kontompo fo na me expect sa rapid response COVID-19 team 9040 ye no eto omo do omo ntima am nye bibia amfa coronavirus hu na me expect so omo kwa na de vaccine be ba Ghana because omo so omo ye rapid response team, so I was expecting something rapid from them. It shows a dream and a grow away bin money so. And I read Takano. Nobody understands them. It is going to be absolutely hard for them to come back to power. I know there. Because they say no, ye metran ho mo be twa ntro biem. Omo be si ye chi ye beba. Ye da no mo ba hemachi ye beba wia. Omo ba wia ye beba na jo. Omo fie ni me fie chiri. Ye know the basis are boot for boot na fin ye be start. Because they should tell you and I the reason why planting for foods and jobs omu hu ye. One constituency, one ambulance omu hu ye. One village, one dam omu so omu hu ye. But one human being, one vaccine the omu hu. Panya tia kete ni the omu hu di meka ko. Na dam kakraka da ho ndo omu hu. Dam kakraka da ho ambulance etwema kakraka se tie ni de ambulance be ye no. Ani si fo nya ho asemaka ba vaccine na wo fo mani hu no vaccine kete a wa anko be toko mu aye wo na hu no ambulance na mo mpro no pro ma hu kane na o mu na yusu bi ni su o mu di dware no se o ma hu ba vaccine do mu hu ko wo ye. It's no wonder say o mu ka che Ghana fo na so ma win elections no mu ko du court o man man ko kan win bia ho asem ho enye wonwa so o mu ka sa asem so ma win aba no na omu kodu court o man ntima nko kan win bia ho asem omu kodu court o man nya figure bia nkwa nkoto enya wanwa say ndc fo etime do the Supreme Court ye ka Supreme Court anya easy the supremacy of Ghana mrre nyinara eho na ya bono to agu eho na judges akukudam omo the highest rank of judges Chief Justice muna eho no mo nse ndc fo etime ko Supreme Court eho kura nsuro nyame nsuro judges fo e ko pe nkonto mpatwa wa ho de a na wofu soja na ndc ni beka no kra cho the Supreme Court alone da ho amra ne da wa ye kra yenye judges fo yenye lawyer fo kra no ye hu die ekoso no NDC fo atmenya kukuduro ko Supreme Court ko pen tro twa ho de a ene wo hwe misuro NDC ni se NDC fo hwe judges a ewo omanim ama ti Supreme Court Chief Justice mo omo hwe nimdia fo ete ho na omo ye se omo ko pen kontompo twa o omanim de a ene munso NDC fo ene wufu soja sabe wodi onim se wan ko school bi akoya oja ha wodi atem Stephen Hanson ya oja di atemi wodi ene na wodi bobo nane bobo because menti NDC for na se menti o ma se o motima ko Supreme Court with no evidence try san ka mu ko propaganda na se mu ko pen tro twa court meti wa menti ase sabato check what because my trial was not declining. My trial several times, even right now, my trial. Eti media, I did back up and I'm a person Ghana near wo sheme, youth wo sheme. The person coach him. Say NDC for send another memu nya. Another man covers verse and buy no. NDC for antwen na watch kra omu di me campaign for no di me ka ko. And the man cram fu soldiers no omu di me ka ko. Eti misramo said the former president Mahama ni esudun ketia mo dwen omo nkwa ho a vase ne ba mo di meka ko wo no saa na won so dwen future ho na ti asese omo ni mwa bia de boa won so dwen future ho na hu se NDC fo ni mwa bia de boa dwen future ho na hu se NDC ni mwa bia de boa because say NDC for bibia president Kufuor ye bi omo criticize ye na so vaccine de omo kwaje omo ankra omo timika ko wo omo de eno manya ho asema anka omo anya ho asema anka omo kwaje omo de fast abepepo ma no abesina dem se nya ne social media enna ama expose o ma ye hu se former president Mahama na ire ni esedun ketemu na akwaje vaccine bia aka me no umienu ye ti wo sanya de obekwa ko obi sinti akwa boni araba anisi fo na ba fu soldiers na mo hwo mo bia ba mo we ne brofu bi otre obapa go si ara akwa brofu so you are fully eti imagine Supreme Court kwa no omo akwa nko mo koye propaganda akopɛ ntradi amfa dia imagine say akwa oto you are fully former president Mahama ni esedun ketiamo eko o mani ma no ko be mpa no mko ka cho. Good evening abnase wa no kro be mpa na nti usha NDC for betima koka a kire obi ti say akoye friends e obi tro bro tantan Isia Joseph omo famo say twice make Isia Joseph yo obedi atemi vaccine yo wo bi o edu so kra NDC for mpanyifo ma ka chense mo wo ono vaccine onwo e edu so mpanyifo be campaign se mo wo na nye enso former president Mahama na edu nketema ko wawie edru Ghana fo no aso a NDC fo mpanyifo mi be ka chefu soldiers nze mamu wo ponya raba so you need free SHS Messi vaccine na former president Mahama na yire na busuafo na akwo no esi edu nketiamo ebe sense ekira ko ka chefu soldiers na egu nkras ne se na nado ba be kuomti mamu wo vaccine yetu do wo hia ni ba wo hwe me wo de men kowo former president Mahama akowo esi edu nketi akowo party ni mpanyifo na akowo ohia ni ba wo de ade abro free ni men kowo mo mo meka ncho se enkowo na beku na men kowo enyusu wa dwe na de men kowo atam no duwa na obehu se wi ase ese Ngodi amamu ko. Obapa go sabe kumi was say, Obra for tanta wate. I was you are fully. I was a former 1 second. Was you are fully. Obra for tanta, the Obra for tanta. Oh, me dream easy for we more mentiase. I just don't understand them. Menti o masio. Vase normal ko en so be fetchire akaka chefu soldiers nse mo mo vase we. Me se mo de mo fansa me bi ensunka. Mo bati ho ase mo be ka se me kan mo make. Mo be ka se me kan. Kota se mi dan yan kan fa ho. Kota se mi dem pa yan kan fa ho. Sabato masa tra wan fa. Dem pa na kota se mi yan kan. Ye ka so mo ni case. But no mu fi court be jina bontia adini na ya hwe bi na ye hu se lawyer chatu e dia wo ho a o ma twa 70 no ni nyina achi na o ma sa be jina court na nim ho na ye na ya hwe bi ye na ya tie brofo ye kan esan so obi ti sa koy otro you are fully e ba to aba moment no o mu be jina bontin court na nim no ma sa be titro. No more be ditro. O mo be jina bonten. Me say o be jina bonten no more be ditro. Court na ni ma o ma de ntse kura. A court na bonten wa the premises of the court. E ho na no more be ditro chefu soldiers. So case no koye. E koye mamunso we've done this. Ah ye na ye TV one ya hwe bi ehun se nkofo da wo 70 o ma twa 70 sa. Tama NPP ye wo case no. Judges they were finding difficult. It is me by 5-4. Even the final verdict no quite much judges need be at my sanka. Yes, I'm my president Kufuor on yede. Embra. And they be here too far. 80 Mr. Mo. Ghana for enough. Enough. Then you Canada. Oh, here ben pan you be that. E kombe ni enwe bo hye ben na nisifo nhye da etimi de meka kyerem mu hwe kra so mu ye nkontopofo no mu hwe akukudura o mu de ka so mu de kokot na mu hwe mu du court gate na no mo story change kakra e change an kasanya kakra na mu hwe se du nkatia papa ebe gina dakam mu hwe na hu kyerɛkyerɛ no ba bi ode niam afefa ye etimi no mienu edem pa na ye pe hu bi mu anisifo omu ni mwa biya bwa minu wa o hwe menu me Pierre Cynthia kwa semwe na bekan eye good papa says me say court proceedings no omu yi me na ehwe bi I can trunk of ba be di wa ponte no na mu nza any sifu soldiers na edin ye di asem ni we mu nzo obi si abonte so ko demonstration bi because asem die ni koso no omu ye disappointed omu mpanyifo nim aseni ene kosna na fu soldiers no say panyifo ya dada e cause be bia na wo so munya kukudo ka che court no say o ma wini e na ya je fi o monsem no ma ntima nka no mo so obi anya 50+1 panyifo esu du ada ka mo ntima mpufu e di se we munya kukudo enti say akogina a whole supreme court e ko pen tro edi na mfa dia e na wu menu mienu a wo hwe manumrewi e wo say wu say NDC for they are capable of lying even to the angels in heaven. They are capable of lying. Above all, we come. Eti abawe se nyame ya dum akot na ewie no. Ghana for monfa monpaibo eni mu bibia anti president Kufuor achi. Na onhihye o man ne man. Time so na o official na your obesan dia mano no yensan to mano na yen try NPP at least for the first 16 years near had here you wasted so many years when this so many years profitable years and keep it in the IBB in now go waste so many years went wasted and it's from a point it is Mr. Court Nessie you President Kufuor or Prime Minister say be veto maybe abroni very intivate no kra na wiawia se be ye hwade ya kwabrane ntimi bisa question people de wo say be yesanke be content and cry problem eti misram emre na duru eye mra o man bia hia experienced leader pandemic we abano o man bia no ohia obi a yenti obi a o man bia no ohia apanyi bia wa betro man so a ewiase kura ekọ na nimu kura no ni ye kwa IMF na economy na crash yare ko die wo ya da roma se the economy esia crash no o man bia hia experienced leaders experience leadership for at least for 20 years so they are a bit keeping ni bibia in line because we are in difficult times. We are in difficult times. And no say we no economy na crash across global economy in samato no. Omanya ubenya leader oye experienced ne ho ye ha no. Within shortest time o pekia which boomer o si same boat obeko wani muntem. Eti be bia baton na dru na e ba be change no. I was a Ghana for mu say 4 years we na enche ebe ende. But prepare your mind say and this phone kontompo mo twa mo akyerem wo court ho gate ano a mo du ye story say ni and this phone kontompo mo twa should tell you and I say it will be a very disservice to your own self. Say obetu aba MNP NDC aba power ne. You do a great disservice to your own self, say. Obetu aba mo obi ti say Sami Jemfia be minister. That will be the greatest mistake and you obe regret it. Say obetu aba mo obi ti say Sami Jemfi abe minister wo Ghana pa de. Ankate mu damra. Say Ghana for obetu aba mo obi ti say Sami Jemfi abe minister de ankate mu damra. Onipa ukura no na o sane. Entropa sunisi. O mu hwehwehwe mu panyi mu akola. Eti Ghana no nya oman a ewose yedidi agro ene yede akohye nkofo bi nsa amoma bese oman no yem kanko. Baby a president Akufo-Addo di oman no ko no. Mesi wo a wo hwe me prepare your mind now. Say there is no way I ever mo bi say NDC for abasese. Yama NPP break the 8 years chain ni enhwe anya hwekwa yehu bi da. Ye nhwe ni ehwe de wo akiri. Eno hia. Whoever obeba of which you know pretty sure of who is coming, but it's too early for us to mention names. Enti pass Ghana ni awo hweme. Prepare your mind now because there are buying ye nyina ye bebo hu de ru a kire. Na ema wura mfi NDC time de kom. Na wa hwe the whole world achievements e bi na make kire on. The whole world covers vaccine. Ghana is the first country to receive here. Bisa won say ebane sen den pa na ban di gu akwam den modern born na ban boy a so abrofo ye ni a ye nya sa vaccine be. Ask yourself. It shows say the international communities now say ye ka oman a bon ho modern power we ase a Ghana is number 1 with the help of President Akufo-Addo ni team. It's you and I say mu hwe a kakra we mumfa enye esuade. And we should start advising ourselves. Say emre we the NDC for be tram try mu a dancing there. Go petra or quarter. You see, court won't go propaganda. Court Mrana Casa. It's no more Mrana 70. Ba so mo back gate. I be tran 70. Omo the heading a dear we case. Eti the America say what would see me, Sisi and say. Tell them and then my time is short because me cobbled. Eti the America say Munina say. We should get our minds prepared. Say ye better in summer a sin in Trono Mudi say Omunya 50+1 and the IJ few months. A bessin, sir. A bessin, sir. A bessin and Trona Omudi, yes, sir. omunya 50 plus 1.15 no ebesi in some omo ba be kan no say do mutimi twa Ghana na kontompo even court aye na ye hwekro mu be gina pontin timi twa mpro kasi yanhwe TV ni bi ana yanhwe proceedings ni bi say the NDC for 18 years ana me we na kire wo say prepare say intro de omo be di edi asin de say but wo ye baba be bode ru a kire wo but you and I especially the youth and if one baba di atem nyina o di ahwo mo brofo on brofo tan o di ahwe boys na baba di atem we platform soon na o mo brofo tan inside so mo be benefit from the free SHS no and if one penny for be catch from say nye no mo so o ma say senti e o di echi free SHS nye free SHS enso vaccine buy any dem penyifo na nka nche mo senye omo di meka ko wo mo de omo akowo eni omo nka se na na do na krama ne buy ntenye omo di meka former president Mahama ne ne yire girigiri omo na otwe kra nso omo akowo esedu katem na wo enti mistremo Ghana for mistremo it is about time aye be hu se NDC for nation records omo ni ade pa bia de mo man Ghana. They have nothing good for Ghana. Absolutely nothing. Nothing good for Ghana. It is about time you better shine your eyes. We know they are preparing to lie, to attack this government left and right. But it depends on you and I. Say, you better be your dream. Because what me fi court be jina court nani mwa be ditro echo free there. Me kwa na ehwe bi dia ene procurement ne ne manema ban ye ya eno de any TV so ide ni behu bi no ene ye wuni ntro. So don't take those people serious. They are not serious. And this is for serious. Mamu for mu serious biem. Mamu for mu serious biem. Some mama for I thank God say out of that then this number ya okay who can be awoshe. Because munyamumu ba ku mienu am okay. I don't need the numbers. I need a very few amumu said mo ba bleed. That's all. Etino abushafo me kan biem enta me be soro akọ no. Say bebi a oman no aduru na bebi a wiase aduru because of COVID we bebi a wiase aduru no. You need experienced leadership. Serious ones. And sana ubetima standing alone. Ubetima standing tall. The beer pandemic where we are say adruno. You need experienced leadership. Any omo mukita good heart like President Akufo-Addo, the likes of Dr. Bawumia. And sana ubetimi ejina onanso. Na si yentie futuo ni ye mistake bia. Ye ni be bre papa because effect a pandemic we dia breviase no enye nkwala wanye be fedi agro etwemu a afi na chire nsamsam baba etwemu a afi na chire eka economy ni ma be bra crash ni na no after this pandemic no afi ni ye be the aftermath yare ne twemu akona afi obi etimi yi ni mask na anti wiase no afi ni ye di eti be pempem to survive. Afini edi eti sese na quiet say akoda wo school a wo nsua de eye den a wo tim final exams bedu e say the whole world will be in tipimpem and the final exams no beba enu ye after the aftermath of this pandemic we should get ourselves prepared to say emre mu edin ebeba after this pandemic and you need experienced leaders, people with good hearts enye ye nti obiafo enye chichingafo. The chichinga leadership no ain't mean tackle what is coming after this pandemic no. Eti mu hwe the way President Akufo-Addo see handle yare we. President Akufo-Addo see handle yare we in spite of all this crisis. Munjare is so free crank down. Munya kanye free. Munko school free in the midst of COVID. and this is 4 time COVID ama nanso na kan yakra munya bindem utua ka more than what you are paying now but still na munya supply so abusuafo dia meka akwakosi nyina ne say Ghana man Mama Ghana man da yakoma so. Ti Ghana man da yakoma so ntino ye mu binom ye sori a upon ye busy schedules na no ye pave way eba be address ye nwanom. Said ye na e be share adwen. Enitina upon ye busy schedules na no. Ye na ye ba you see people like Sabato, you see brother Felix, you see all these people obi a wakwanto mo ye na adwuma o. And I said, and your party name shall be our. Yes, a party name shall be out. Party no will be out. But said you're dating the future of Ghana. Ain't any sorry. Yakasa, kasa. The future of money dating tea. Because the dating edrigua, yen you. A penny fund on Matama, so much. Penny fund on much. President go for moving in fee. I don't be on here. I've no be school na. I will here a friend is saying students grants and I say a friend scholarship at school. Hell no. And ya feel na obe pet abrabo bi apo. Wo vie, you be wo wiase na wo wie. Emi asa hira no why your man Ghana nyina panyin. I say we need for the second time and pay the constitution. That is the maximum he can get. Into Owie asa the maximum per Ghana constitution say obey Ghana penny for 8 years. Now obi wo the obi per 8 years na di wonya 4 and we tell to na libre okoko to ko lucy still to me congratulate President Akufo-Addo. Still open me congratulate President Akufo-Addo. But time omo time ye kokota ye lusu ye no. President Akufo-Addo friend congratulate no. Emma ye papa the former vice president may he so rest in peace. Ye papa emisata ebetina bonten ka say President Akufo-Addo friend President Mahama then President Mahama I congratulate him too why are the pa. Owo de edru so a wontimi friend congratulate nipa no okofa vaccine ba ye de wodi mrika akwakowo vaccine de one ne ni manso nipa okofa ba one ne wo manso wo de vaccine ba en de wakwakowo na me mpe wo se ma na me ni wani nhia bebi ana me mfa ho eti vaccine ba na nkwene so wo bi cause of plane na bi okọ America no ne ade no ko wo no ane de ho ye hu so wo fi ye de ni mo ko ono ane lemu. But what covers no yiri na akọ means any policies is good and perfect. So I didn't na onja ma na bese no. One kasa wo hu se President Akufo-Addo bon ho modern broso. I didn't na onja o man na ma na bese no. Anafo. Immediate. Mitu kwan. Timre na so. Eti no. Ya meka nyina se nyaminka obia ho. The nyame adoma upon your busy schedules now we make sure say you better try say adwuma no ye be na say na muhu me ache enokre last week went member even yesterday went member yeah even a nekra no my nyenye a friend say try ya ake enokra no minti menye den emba because eno me too quiet no the time so eti no abusiafo manuasi Nyame adoma yebehia Saturday. Nyame adoma Saturday ebe yebehia. Eto obi an share video no obi a wada bia sorry a no menye bintie. Na yentu ya hofo. Yentu ya hofo. Coffee superior. Minya amahu Jones. Na de mrena so. Na de time ni so a. Na ebe e wana ape. Ye time na so. It's Nyame adoma Saturday. Yeah, baba. Brother Felix, I greet you, Minya. Yeah, no, later na me behwe video no enumre kura me bedu fi na behwe. Oba live mentima ma metie bi mentima me contribute. Yeah. Nyame adoma this week no you better try say tension no kura form ti this week no ko na no ya ebenya kwan mo na ye di dwuma na ma dwuma no ayefe eti ebusafo mi si acheche mu na Cynthia Akwa mecha mi nwa ba ma me akua menu I see you Abapa Kosu Adoma I see you brother Felix Apia I see you minua Samuel Mafo wo no wait 8 hospitals no be hu anu na dey retire mo no why Richard Teddy bro I see you Vida Donko I see you abuzafo emrena so ene de emem so mami sawa koto Emmanuel J Bonsu Akresi Anthony minua na tse wa ba na Ghana Stephanie Backman hey man dia me hu wa che me tun ka che ma me tun ka abuzafo ene de haya na de besi why e dia go besi ene de ba short edition ACS ta minua ba ene de be bon to mon shama fu soldiers no mo ba no abenya access no ma be hwebi etinyame aduma next week de baba ACS ta minua ba ya tu mo de bopa fu soldiers o mo da wase ACS ta minua ba fu soldiers o mo da ase o mo chese nu akra wo yi ya o mo show bi a chese bro ma dwen so de wo ye bia ye hu obi bia mo de bo party nim no empenyifo hu fu soldiers so among us ye hu obi amodem bo brasa me minua kuso ye mo ye hu modem bibia be fine o mani ye ntini ye bre enti abusafo me kwena me san kai mo bibia ra opeso tu kwan from the northern part of Italy equal south opeso fi Vicenza zone Brescia Modena Parma Bergamo Milan Mantova Verona Brescia Reggio Emilia Numu nyina na opeso ko room no uni problem afre line no 32989112232 and I repeat 32989112232 opese your application so ma for renewal of passport so a fresh line na 32989112232 ebusa for Mary Magudie na dem mbesi ya amrani so nyame ko bibia ho omo bibia ho ane ho ma asem ochen holiday mu am Ghana no mu hweyi mamu nkoye eni jemro so bia e pamocho yesam yare na ba mamu nko gu beaches mo de enchane ya tomra yesam ya ni so ehyedodo yare na bo cha holiday yenchina fie mo bia nko beach nko buru mu bia nko fa yare nko fie nyame nko bibia ho na mu vaccine so mu yire mu ho o man panyin say very within this year nko be obe make sure Ghana man nyina nipa be 20 million there no bia wo oh o man panyin nyame nsa no oni Dr. Bawumia nyame nsa no ma dwempa pepa mo cha mu yire mu ho na ya tia broche kura no vaccine ria ba akase bedu ye gate anu kura nu ye mo tia ye na mo ya start wo ma mo wo na mo njai sa mi wo na nkofo bi wa wuti o ma na mi wo na mi wo onwo oyani o de achiwa obi ani ta ma sa o achiwa oyani ba waso ba ya sa dan ko no mo da ma mo wo ye be ma ire hu ko wo na yare we achiw na nyame boa na ho to wuti anye ye oba ma timi wu eti muntie ni ye munya careful na yare we no se echew na wonya mutete kra wuti anye ye a nsunsuanso na ye different eti vaccine na aba na ye pamo chew edru gate anu akọwọ manya so de wo onwo ya no nso shell mask owo nso a shell mask me sramo ya ka se wa obe wo men shell mask a eso mo anwo ya ni ehu na mo shell mask na mo di spread na kofa asema baji so bia nse mask wo crash mask said I to pro mask still the burger proof to achi no sa wo pani ni wi a still she mask no said o ma enwo bi na nse mask o muntimi she mask o muntimi ne nam so on she mask obi nse mask ne mbo ho ban na this one president can say this one too shall pass me boa this too shall pass we so betwema ko ejinyame ko bibia ho good night bye bye.